Srikrut, good morning Srikrut. Are you writing your essay on English exam? Very good. Start writing. Match it. Draw lines with the first letter. Hold pencil properly. Pencil holding please. Yes. Then draw a line. What is the first letter? Good job.
Very good.
Next.
11 start with.
Very good.
Very good.
Draw line. Okay. Good.
Goat start with.
Goat. Okay. Draw line.
G.
Draw line.
Draw the line.
Okay. Draw line.
Draw the line.
Oh, wonderful.
Flowers start with. M letter.
Start.
Very good. Draw the line. Here, F. Here.
No holding. No, he will draw. Flower onwards. F. Up to F. Okay.
Duck.
Okay.
Duck start with. Duck.
Show
Duck.
with letter. Show the letter duck. D. Very good. Then draw.
Draw the line.
Draw the line.
From duck to
D.
D.
D. Where is D? That is C. Okay. That's okay.
Cap. Start with. Cap start with.
C. Okay. Draw
C.
line.
C letter. Where is C letter? Okay. From cap to C. Draw the line. C. Okay. Balloon start with. B. Where is B letter? Show me B. Where is B?
Draw line.
Draw the line from balloon to B. Draw the line. Your time is running out, ma.
We need to go for assembly.
Draw the line.
Draw the line. Keep this hand here.
Balloon. From balloon to B. Where is B? Look at here.
B.
Very good. Draw the line to B. Balloon to B.
B. Yeah, good job.
And start with.
Then draw line.
Where is A letter? Very good.
Good job.
Okay. Now draw the line to A. Very good.
Good job. Next.
Aeroplane start with which letter? Aeroplane start with which letter? A or C? Aeroplane start with A. Okay.
Then circle A letter.
Circle the A letter.
Okay, good job.
Cap start with which letter? C or B? Okay. Circle the C letter.
C letter.
Okay. Very good. Egg start with which letter? E or F? Egg start with which letter? E or F? Which letter, Nana? Egg start with E letter. Okay. Circle. Boat start with which letter? B or D letter? Boat. Show me the boat.
Hold pencil. Very good. No, that is done.
Boat start with which letter, Nana? B or D? B. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Start with B letter. Okay? Circle the B letter. Here. Circle the B. Very good. Doll start with which letter? Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Start with which letter? D letter. Okay? Circle the D letter. Gua. Start with G letter or H letter?
Circle. Good job.
G letter. Okay, circle it. Hut. Start with which letter? H or B? H. Okay, circle it. Frog. Which letter start with frog? E or F? F letter.
F for frog.
F for frog. F for O-G. Frog.
Circle F letter.
Circle the F letter.
Good job.